This is a book storing database. It's an uplifting literature book storing database from the area of interest as in education in literature. And then this database is I created an interface whereby it's a kind of a website that when if somebody wants to order for a book, they have to enter their personal information and the book, the kind of book they want to order, whereby that information will be captured and stored in a database. Then when the users, the customer enters their information in that website, it is captured and then stored in a database. And one of the tables, so the database I created in the system, it is having three tables. These are the entities, and each entity has its own attributes. And then the first entity, which is named the ordered books. This one will be able to store the information or the credentials, personal credentials from the user who has ordered for the book. And then the second entity will be the back end user who is the one operating the database system. He will be able to capture the email address of the user and the name, and then he enters a response and the date of that response, and he sends them to the user to confirm to the user that they have received the information in the database and telling him when the order will be delivered. And then that's the first. And then the first table, that second table, which is the second entity, it is titled response to clients. This one is done by the back end user whose information that is supposed to be sent to the user who has asked for an order will be stored in that very entity. And then the second entity is called client confirmation. This one is done by the client who ordered, whereby you confirm the information he has received by entering their name, their email, their confirmation method, and then the date of confirmation. And that is the second entity. Those are the three entities in the database system. And then this is the entity relation that shows that the first table can be accessed by the user, the back-end user. It shows that all the tables can be accessed both with the customer and then the user. But then concerning the operations of the database, these ones are done by the back-end user, the back-end user, not the customer, who will be operating the database to try to follow up to see the kind of changes needed using the different queries. So as you can see, this is the interface of the website where the user will be able to order for a book, and then the whole information that will be entered, the phone number, the country, the location, the email, will be saved in the database. And this, when you reach here, it shows where the user will tap to send the information, to send their order. And this information that he has entered, personal information, will be captured. And this shows the back-end interface, showing where the arrow is showing the entity relationship, how they are related in the database, how they are. And then here you see how to access it using queries, access the database. And then here is the first query that shows databases, that shows the databases in the back end, the database system. Then here it shows the tables. Here before the tables you first choose for the database name, then here you choose for tables, and then this query shows how to selecting from the database to bring all the information in the given entity, whereby you specify it by saying select from, then you put the entity name, which is ordered books. And then as it goes on, the next one is if you want to insert into ordered books as the entity. If you want to insert information, the query is here in the diagram for you to insert. You give the information, you give the values that will be inserted in that table. And then mainly this system is all about capturing the user's details of those who have ordered for a given book, and then the back end giving back information on when the book will be carried and the date, using the email and the name of the client who ordered for a book, and then also capturing the information from the end user, the customer at that time, who is confirming that he has seen the message that is telling that person on whom the delivery will be made. He also uses their email, the password, the email and their name, and then the response to show they are confirmed. And these are the three entity tables with different attributes as mentioned in that report here above. These are the two entities and the attributes of everything that will be stored in the database system. I think I can conclude from here. Thank you so much.